I will guide you through how to create WhatsApp business account. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, make sure you've downloaded and installed the WhatsApp business app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and tap Agree and Continue to accept the terms. You'll then be asked to verify your phone number. Enter the number you'll use for your business and wait for the verification code sent via SMS. Once verified, you'll begin setting up your business profile. Start by entering your business name. This will represent your brand identity on WhatsApp. Next, choose a business category that aligns with your industry, whether it's finance, professional services, or any other sector that reflects your core offering. Then, define your business hours, including days and operating times, to help clients know when you're available. Upload a professional profile picture, such as your company logo, or skip it if you prefer. Add your business address, or check, my business doesn't have a physical location if you're operating online. Finally, write a short, impactful business description to introduce your services and communicate your value to customers. And just like that, your WhatsApp business account is ready to support and grow your business communications.